Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's flagship powerhouse, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone has generated significant buzz since its release, promising cutting-edge AI capabilities, a groundbreaking 200MP camera, and the iconic S Pen. We'll be unboxing the US version, exploring its key features, and providing a comprehensive review to help you determine if it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. First, the unboxing experience. Samsung has opted for a minimalist approach, focusing on eco-friendliness. Let's see what's inside. Inside the box, we have the S23 Ultra in the elegant phantom black finish, the SIM ejector tool, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and some minimal documentation. As is becoming increasingly common, a charging brick is not included. Let's get our first impressions. The design is instantly recognizable, building upon the S22 Ultra with its sleek lines and integrated camera lenses. Holding it in hand, you immediately feel the premium build quality. The S23 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the 120Hz refresh rate ensures a fluid and responsive experience. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, promising enhanced durability. Around the back, we have the impressive camera setup. The individual lenses protruding from the back create a distinct aesthetic. And, of course, we have the integrated S Pen, a signature feature that sets the Ultra series apart. Now, let's talk about the camera. The S23 Ultra features a revolutionary 200MP main sensor. This allows for incredibly detailed images with exceptional clarity. Combined with Samsung's advanced image processing, the results are truly impressive. The camera excels in various lighting conditions. Daytime shots are crisp and vibrant, while the enhanced night mode delivers stunning low-light performance. The zoom capabilities are equally impressive. The 10x optical zoom allows you to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity, and the digital zoom extends even further, albeit with some loss of detail. Powering the S23 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor. This custom-tuned chip provides exceptional performance, handling demanding tasks with ease. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM in this particular model, multitasking is a breeze. Samsung is also heavily emphasizing AI capabilities in the S23 Ultra. Features like intelligent image processing, enhanced battery optimization, and real-time language translation contribute to a seamless and intuitive user experience. The S Pen remains a key differentiating factor for the Ultra series. It offers a highly responsive and accurate writing and drawing experience. The integrated air actions allow you to control the phone with gestures, adding another layer of functionality. Battery life is another strong point of the S23 Ultra. The 5,000 mAh battery provides ample power to get you through a full day of heavy usage. And with fast charging capabilities, you can quickly top it up when needed. The S23 Ultra runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.1 on top. The software is polished, intuitive, and offers a wide range of customization options. Samsung also promises several years of software updates, ensuring your phone stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. So, to conclude, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a top-tier smartphone that delivers on its promises. It offers a stunning display, a groundbreaking camera system, exceptional performance, and the versatility of the S Pen. While the price point may be a barrier for some, the S23 Ultra represents the pinnacle of Android smartphone technology. If you're looking for the best of the best, this phone should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and insights. Let us know your thoughts on the S23 Ultra in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.